Sometimes we use the word to explain the reason. I go to a grocery store to buy food. I go to a movie theater to watch movies. Why are you here? I am here to learn English. Do you often go to a grocery store? Yes, I often go to a grocery store. Do you go to a grocery store 3 times a day? No, I don't go to a grocery store 3 times a day. Do you go to a grocery store 4 times a week? Yes, I go to a grocery store 4 times a week. How often do you go to a grocery store? I go to a grocery store 4 times a week. Do you go to a grocery store to watch a movie? No, I don't go to a grocery store to watch a movie. Do you go to a grocery store to buy food? Yes, I go to a grocery store to buy food. Why do you go to a grocery store? I go to a grocery store to buy food. Do they sell food at a grocery store? Yes, they sell food at a grocery store. Do they sell used cars at a grocery store? No, they don't sell used cars at a grocery store. Do they sell phones at a grocery store? No, they don't sell phones at a grocery store. What do they sell at a grocery store? They sell food at a grocery store. Do you buy food at a grocery store? Yes, I buy food at a grocery store. Are you buying food at a grocery store? No, I'm not buying food at a grocery store. Do you prefer to buy food at a small grocery store or at a big supermarket? I prefer to buy food at a big supermarket. Where do you prefer to buy food? I prefer to buy food at a big supermarket. Do you go to work in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, or at night? I go to work in the morning. Do you go to work at 3 a.m.? No. I don't go to work at 3 a.m. Do you go to work at 8 o'clock at night? No, I don't go to work at 8 o'clock at night. What time do you go to work? I go to work at 8 o'clock in the morning. What time do you go home from work? I go home from work at 7 p.m. Do you sometimes stay at work after 7 p.m.? Yes, I sometimes stay at work after 7 p.m. Do you always stay at work after 7 p.m.? No, I don't always stay at work after 7 p.m. When Jack has a lot of work to do, does he stay at work after 7 p.m.? Yes, when Jack has a lot of work to do, he stays at work after 7 p.m. Where does Jack stay after 7 p.m. when he has a lot of work to do? When Jack has a lot of work to do after 7 p.m., he stays at work. Do you like to stay at work after 7 p.m.? Oh no, I don't like to stay at work after 7 p.m. Do you like to have free time on weekends? Yes, I like to have free time on weekends. Do you prefer to hang out with your friends or to stay at work on weekends? I prefer to hang out with my friends on weekends. Do you stay at a grocery store after you buy food, or do you go home? I go home after I buy food at a grocery store. What do you do after you buy food at a grocery store? I go home after I buy food at a grocery store. Are you buying food at a grocery store? No, I am not buying food at a grocery store. Are you buying food at a supermarket? No, I am not buying food at a supermarket. What are you doing? I am learning to speak English. Does Ethan go to a grocery store to buy food? Yes, Ethan goes to a grocery store to buy food. Does Ethan go to a grocery store to buy a used cell phone? No, Ethan doesn't go to a grocery store to buy a used cell phone. Does Ethan go to a grocery store to take a plane to New York? No, Ethan doesn't go to a grocery store to take a plane to New York. Why does Ethan go to a grocery store? Ethan goes to a grocery store to buy food. Where does William go when he wants to buy food? William goes to a grocery store when he wants to buy food. Does John stay at work after 7 p.m. when he has a lot of work to do? Yes, John stays at work after 7 p.m. when he has a lot of work to do. Why does John stay at work after 7 p.m.? John stays at work after 7 p.m. because he has a lot of work to do. Do you go to a movie theater to watch a movie? Yes, I go to a movie theater to watch a movie. Do you go to a movie theater to buy food? No, I don't go to a movie theater to buy food. Do you go to a movie theater to take a plane? No, I don't go to a movie theater to take a plane. Why do you go to a movie theater? I go to a movie theater to watch a movie. Where do you go to watch a movie? I go to a movie theater to watch a movie. Do you go to a restaurant to watch a movie? No, I don't go to a restaurant to watch a movie. Do you go to a restaurant to eat and to drink? Yes, I go to a restaurant to eat and to drink. Why do you go to a restaurant? I go to a restaurant to eat and to drink. Do you like to eat junk food when you watch a movie at a movie theater? Yes, I like to eat junk food when I watch a movie at a movie theater. Do people often eat junk food when they watch a movie at a movie theater? Yes, people often eat junk food when they watch a movie at a movie theater. Do people eat apples when they watch a movie at a movie theater? No, people don't eat apples when they watch a movie at a movie theater. What do people often eat when they watch a movie at a movie theater? People often eat junk food when they watch a movie at a movie theater. Are hamburgers healthy? No. Hamburgers aren't healthy. Are apples healthy? Yes, apples are healthy. Do they sell junk food at a movie theater? Yes, they sell junk food at a movie theater. Do they sell it because people like to eat it when they watch a movie? Yes, they sell it because people like to eat it when they watch a movie. Why do they sell junk food at a movie theater? They sell junk food at a movie theater because people like to eat it when they watch a movie. Do they sell apples at a movie theater? No, they don't sell apples at a movie theater. Why not? Because people don't eat apples when they watch a movie. Do people eat hamburgers with a fork? No, people don't eat hamburgers with a fork. Do people eat hamburgers with chopsticks? No, people don't eat hamburgers with chopsticks. What do people eat hamburgers with? People eat hamburgers with their hands. Do you stay at a restaurant after dinner? No, I don't stay at a restaurant after dinner.